Nandito tayo ngayon sa Superstore. Another grocery session. Okay, get it. Happy birthday! Sige na, just get it. Huh? Do you like tilapia?
Yeah, there's some fish as well.
Yeah, those fish are called tilapia. Nilagay kasi natin sa luggage yung ibang grocery. Kaya, i-unpack na natin sila ngayon. Anong luto natin?
Tacos.
Tacos. Ito yung tacos. Nakakatakam ang setup mo dito.
Ano yung birthday gift namin sa'yo?
Oh, Mary! So bukas, during Thanksgiving lunch, meron tayong lechon belly. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Superstore. Another grocery session. Uy, I think we need towel. Ayan, bibili din tayo ng mga kandila, tama? Para pampabango.
Coffee.
Ay, wag naman coffee. Mag-amoy tayong coffee shop.
Sage.
Anong sage? Bale, yung regalo namin kay mommy na kuha na namin. So, hopefully magustuhan niya. Ano yan?
Sage and white tea.
Yeah.
Pero kasi ng vanilla eh.
Oh. Ako naman gusto ko vanilla. Sige, okay na yun. What? What's that? Is that cotton? Cotton balls?
Yeah.
The different color? Ayan, pabili tayo kanila. Oh, ayan. Okay, get it. Happy birthday! Sige na, just get it.
I want the...
Ha? I think mas maganda sa iyo yung light gray. Check the light gray.
Mahal. Wag na, 40.
Wala ka ng light gray eh. Yeah, that's better.
Pero...
Uy, si mom oh, naka birthday. Birthday month kasi niya ngayon eh. Kaya bumibili siya ng mga gusto niya. Pili pa siya ng iba. Right? Is that your gift for mom? No, not that. Uy, meron pa napili. Buy one, take one daw. Pag bumili siya ng isa, bili pa siya ng isa pa. Ayun. Score. Ganyan na lang kami magbilihan ng regalo. At least alam mong gustong-gusto talaga niya. Type na type niya. Tapos sabi niya, para daw mas lalo siyang sumaya, bilhin daw namin yung couch namin na ipampalit sa living room. Yun daw ang ultimate. So, titignan natin kung makukuha na natin yung couch na yun. We'll see kung talagang doon na tayo magpalit. Sana ma-dispose na namin yung sofa bed couch. What?
I can see the bakery sign over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. The last stop, right?
Yeah, no, I don't. That's not the rotten, just the chocolate.
Oh, just the chocolate. Ako, naalala pa nitong batang to yung donuts. Oh, yan, bili na kayo. $40 daw para sa mga down jacket. Not bad.
Kasi fleece siya.
Okay, it's not bad. Panlamig pa rin. $40. Pwede na yan para sa Vancouver weather.
She crashed it there.
I'm sorry. I bumped our cart. Tapos na tayo dito sa mga non-perishable. Bili naman tayo dito sa ating mga pagkain. Okay, divide and conquer tayo. Papabili si Joyce na onion and garlic. Nope, we're gonna look for onion and garlic.
Yeah, we're gonna look for it. Whoa, ice cream!
Yeah, ice cream.
Look, there's some kind of fruit.
What?
All of them. There's mango and blueberries.
Yeah?
And strawberries and bananas. Wait it.
Ito tayo na.
Why
dito? English cucumber. And then next natin.
Cucumber.
Yeah, we got one. And then we're gonna get onion. Ang ginakuha naming onion parate is sweet onion. Ayan siya, $2.99 per pound. And what ay dalawa?
What are those?
Those are onion. What's our next? Our next is
garlic.
Garlic. Okay, let's search for the garlic.
Garlic is after ice cream.
Is it after ice cream?
I need to get ice cream is after garlic.
Did we pass garlic?
And we'll get back here and we'll in the other aisle.
Oh yeah, it's not here.
The third one, it'll take forever to search it.
Wala.
We're searching.
Wala
Here
yung piraso? It's garlic.
Can you search for ice cream, Dad?
Yeah, on the other side, not here.
Just
Near the bakery, remember? Ano yung mga live lobster, oh. $22.49 per pound.
yeah, now I see the fish.
Oh, per pound. Ang
I
bawat
see
isa niya
the
siguro mga
fish.
2 pounds or 1.5.
I see the fish.
Yes, ano to, tilapia? Yes, live tilapia, $9 per pound. May white at saka regular tilapia. Do you like tilapia?
Yeah, there's some fish as well.
Yeah, those fish are called tilapia.
I will name them Cappy.
Can you say their name? It says tilapia.
Cappy.
No, say tilapia.
Cappy.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, to the kids.
Yeah, the kids.
Can
So,
we
kala mo,
get
adult tong
hot
nagsasalita
dog
eh.
For now,
You wanna get the hot dog?
yeah.
Okay.
Let's get hot dog.
Okay, let's get it.
Let me get
Kuha tayo.
all kinds of them. There are all kinds of hot dogs.
Here. Is the one? Jumbo. Jumbo?
No, the regular.
Yeah, this is the regular jumbo. The big one, remember?
Whatever.
Look at the color. Yes, that's the one that you like. Bacon? Anong bacon ba ang kinukuha mo dito? Okay. Ano ba kinukuha mong bacon? Ito, natural? Ito ba? Which
Parang
one?
yun, salt.
Reduced salt? PC. PC bacon. Muulan nga pala ngayon kaya madaming tao ang nagpa-park doon sa covered area. So, naswerte lang kami. Nakakuha kami ng parking na medyo maganda-ganda. Pero madaming sasakyan sa labas. Oh, ang itlog ngayon is $5.37. Kuha tayo. And tingnan natin kung may basag. Let's check it.
Yeah, we go down first agreeing.
Oh! Put this one here because it might break the egg. No, don't touch it, please. It might be dirty. Okay. It's not cracked. It's good, right?
Yeah, and
Okay.
we needed milk.
Okay, meron ng egg. So, bili daw ng milk.
I need to make a cake using a gravy egg in the supermarket.
Okay.
We're doing ingredients for supermarket.
Ingredients for what?
Ingredients.
For the cake.
Okay,
Itong batang to.
Yeah.
Bumili kami ng nagpapabili ng donut.
Not eat a capybara donut.
Thanksgiving naman kasi. So, bumili kami ng donut tsaka apple strudel. Para meron tayo konting makukut-kut. Lola June will bring ice cream already. Okay? Oh, bless you.
You wanna bake a cake with Mom?
Yeah, we need the ingredients.
Wait, the ingredients.
But first, we need to get the ingredients.
Okay.
How the ingredients, how did they make, Mom?
You need eggs, butter, flour, sugar. If you want a chocolate cake, you need cocoa powder.
Are you ready to make a cake?
You need
Yeah.
baking soda, baking powder.
Talaga naman. Ang maganda dito eh. May mga kasalubong pala, nag-greet pa rin ng hi.
Salad.
Mababait yung mga tao.
Whatever.
Can I get it? Matcha latte. I mix it with
Can we we had it in the weekend.
Ayan na yung cart namin. Medyo napapadami na ang laman. Thanksgiving kasi, kaya medyo pagpapasalamat tayo sa kung anong meron tayo.
Oh, yung cart natin, pagpasalamat.
Nagpapasalamat sa daming laman. Unload na ng grocery. Naubos mo na to? Ay, kay... ano to? Clark? Ay, Kat? Kung magamit ito mga parang fish bowl
Sa freezer.
or lobster. Hindi, saan mo ka...
Pinaprito ko lang.
Kala ko nagagawin from soup or something. Soup? Hey, yo, Switch. Why are you here?
Naka-easy lang eh.
Oh, so, alin sa mga karne yung i-ref ko? Alin yung freezer? Nilagay kasi natin sa luggage yung ibang grocery. Kaya i-unpack na natin sila ngayon. Oh, ito pala, dilata.
Aka na yung lasagna, huwag mo na ilagay sa...
Hindi ko isa somewhere. Wow. Parang ano na to nanggaling abroad na.
Pasalubong.
Ang dami parang pasalubong. Mga baon ng bata. Ito mamaya na to, di ba?
Yeah.
Magtatako tayo mamaya. Taco night.
Mga snacks.
Bagong ano tawag ito. Talagang parang pasalubong, may spam pa. Nga pala, ang binibili natin usually is holiday. Pero ngayon, sabi ni Joyce, balik muna daw tayo ng spam. Na-miss niya ata yung lasa. Na-miss mo ba yung lasa? Ito pa yung isang lasagna. And then here's the egg. Green tea, matcha.
Okay na yan.
Siyempre, yung regalo, happy birthday!
Whatever.
Normal, lang, hindi yan.
Ayaw pumayag. Hindi daw yun pang birthday na regalo. So, magkano tayo ngayon? Grocery? 360?
Plus 96.
360 plus 96. So, 450.
Dalawang supermarket kasi binibila na.
Oh, Superstore at saka Price Mart. Price Mart usually bumibili si Joyce ng mga karne, pero all the rest binibili namin sa Superstore. Ganon kami mag-grocery. Yung amount na yan, good for 2 weeks. Good for 2 weeks. Plus yung special occasion bukas, which is yung Thanksgiving Sunday. Anong luto natin?
Tacos.
Tacos. Ito yung tacos. Tapos ano yung pengen?
Pang-lasagna bukas sa lunch.
Oh.
Pwede ko na yung sauce para assemble na lang.
Assemble na lang. Ayan o. Nakita nyo ba yung usok? Mahihigop na. Anyway, ayan na. Naghahanda na si Joyce ng dinner natin. And then tayo
Can I
naman.
have donuts?
After dinner, baby.
Can I have mango juice?
Yes, both after dinner. Guys, tignan nyo naman tong ginawa ni Joyce. Para kang kumain na, para kang sinervan sa fancy restaurant. Ayan, oh. Oh, 'di ba? Wow! May kamatis, cheese, taco beef. Ito ano to?
Taco sauce.
Taco sauce. And then some greens. And then cheese
sauce.
and regular taco original flavor. Subukan natin yung cheese kasi mukhang bago yan eh. Yan, subukan. Salamat salamat sa pagluluto.
Welcome. Darating na yung ban. Ole!
Oh, yan. Wow. Nakakatakam ang setup mo dito.
Ano yung mag-wine?
Wow. Hindi pa tayo Thanksgiving nag-wine ka na.
Eh, bakit? Para mabawasan yung mga...
Mabawasan ng alin, ang laman ng ref. Ano, kakain na ba tayo? Parang masarap na eh. Ayun na sila. Hello!
Kain na!
Ayun na sila, Mami. Kain tayo, Mami, Daddy.
Pre-Thanksgiving.
Naganda po si Joyce eh.
Kasi yun ang taco eh.
Taco night. Taco night po tayo.
Kain na, Mal!
Mark, men. Simen kay Lolo and Lola.
Yan na yung birthday gift namin sa'yo.
Okay na, Mami. Ayun, birthday ko.
Thank you. Large daw yan.
Large ito?
28 inches po. Yung handle niya po, mas maganda. Malaki.
Ba?
Yung control.
Oo. Just stay here so you can get more food.
Ano ito?
Ano po, lalagyan ng kape. Coffee
ganun.
cup.
Saka yung may charger din siya, USB, whatever.
Oo.
Kung meron.
Ay, aga ng birthday gift Thank you.
Ito po. Ano yan?
Maleta.
Maleta ng large.
May laman.
Lamig doon, wala tayong heater.
Ay! Huwag ka ba?
Wala tayong fireplace.
Akan tayo, sorry.
Mommy, pause it.
Okay, did you pause it?
Sit here.
Can I have all?
Magluluto ka lasagna?
Hindi, yung sauce pa lang na yung balik. Sa-assemble ba ng bukas?
Presto.
Is your spoon?
What?
Daming tao kanina, nakakain kayo. Mabilis
Sila,
siya.
ang dami ng kinain kayo.
Oh, mabilis siya kayo nakarating doon. Nasa likod kayo.
Wala mo kasi bata na turkey eh. Baka naubos.
Turkey?
Na binibenta.
And we that my capybara is so adorable.
Wow. Where did you get it? Here?
Swirl it. Okay.
World.
There you go. Do it. Swirl it.
Gusto na kaming kumain. Pero round 2 dahil naganda na si Joyce ng sauce tong lasagna. Parang wala na masyadong gagawin bukas. Kasi bukas, mag-init namin yung binila namin ng lechon belly sa Vancouver. So, pupunta pa kami sa Vancouver para i-meet, para pick upin bago dalhin dito.
Kasi
So,
dapat deliver pero fully book na daw sila today kaya pick up na lang.
nahuli kami ng pag-order nung aming lechon belly. So anyway, nagawa naman ng paraan. So bukas, during Thanksgiving lunch, meron tayong lechon belly.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Whatever.